Hey, good morning, everybody. So we dropped off the RV at
Schaefer's
in Ohio. We packed up our car, and I was surprised that we were able to fit everything in the car, but
I was surprised we had so much stuff to bring in the car.
it's our whole, it's everything we own.
I don't know. It's not everything we own because there's still stuff left in the RV, but
all that stuff should be
garbage now. Garbage.
No,
That's what that should be.
It's not garbage because it's stuff that we need for the RV. It's hoses, it's electrical cords, and our plumbing.
I think about the stuff that I have there.
Your stuff is garbage, sure.
Thanks. All right. But I was just thinking about the fact that all that stuff that I haven't had for the last 2 weeks, I probably will get rid of most of it when I get back. Most, not all of it.
So we're on our second week of living in the hotel right now, and it's better than I thought it was going to be, but we definitely miss the RV. We miss having, I don't know, we have almost everything here that we would in the RV. The only thing missing here is an oven, but it's different.
It's definitely different. So as of the first night, I already had to ask for a favor. I had to ask Kenny that when he gets up in the middle of the night, to please close the door before he turns on the light in the bathroom, and I would do the same. Because it's different than the RV where we have that sliding door, so when one of us gets up in the middle of the night, the other one's getting blinded by light in the bathroom, which doesn't happen when we're in the RV.
Yeah, not only that, just the fact that we have our own separate bedroom in the RV, which we knew that was a big selling point for our RV. Here, if Sabrina wakes up before I wake up, then
it's over.
Yeah, it's over. I got to get up too. We're all just, we're just all in one room, and then just the bathroom separate, but the bedroom, our seating area, and the kitchen is all.
I didn't want to say living area.
Yeah, I don't know what you would call it. So.
But it's a nice hotel. It's just different.
Yeah,
the other thing is I won't say germophobic, but I'm always kind of concerned about germs. So I wash my hands 50 million times when I'm here, when I touch the faucets or bump into the counters, or I don't know, it's not my own space. And that kind of gets me. It doesn't really bother Kenny because sometimes I'm like, oh my gosh, you're contaminating such and such, whatever it may be. But
I'll pick something off the floor and eat it.
Here?
Sure. Doesn't bother me. 3 seconds.
What?
You have 3 seconds.
God.
Yeah, maybe even 5 in some states where you can pick something up off the floor and still eat it and nothing bad will happen to you.
Famous last words, but that's really gross. I'm sorry, let me fix my face. That's really gross. I won't even pick something off the counter. Oh God, just the fall. Oh,
not even off the counter.
Not even off the counter at home, but definitely not off the counter here. Good God. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that stuff doesn't bother me so much. So, the motorhome is in Ohio. We are in Indiana for Sabrina's work. Her work is paying for the hotel here for the full 3 weeks, which is great. And I guess we can say that we have good news that the RV is finished.
Yeah.
Schaefer's was able to fix it in 8 days, and that's including them doing the
diagnostics and everything.
Yeah, that's the word for it. Diagnostics. We have what's called the Xtra Ride warranty, and warranty work is a little different. So they had to diagnose it. They came up with what they thought was wrong with it, which was they originally thought was a motherboard. Then they have to approve it with the warranty. The warranty said, okay, we'll cover the motherboard. They got the motherboard. It did not fix the issue. So then Schaefer said, okay, we want to replace the entire AC unit. Then they have to get the approval from the warranty. Luckily, the warranty said, okay, that's fine. We will cover the AC unit. And Schaefer's replaced the entire AC unit for us. The cost of the warranty was...
Oh, originally when we bought the RV, so it was $2,476. So $2,476, and it was kind of lumped into our loan for the RV.
Oh, I thought we paid that just all up front.
No.
Oh, so that's pretty cool.
It's just financed along with the loan for the RV.
So that's pretty cool. And it expires in the
2021.
2021. So we still have a little bit of time left on it. Our deductible for the repairs, what we're paying out of pocket is $50.
Yes.
Which, that's great. Yeah, that's great. And I hate warranties usually.
Yeah, whenever we're at the register and they always ask, do you want the care plan or do you want the extended
Never
warranty?
get it.
Never get it. Yeah.
I hate warranties. But in this case, so far, it's worked out pretty good, and we still have 3 years left on the warranty. So, hey, maybe it'll...
She told you it was it...
So the total cost, if we didn't have the warranty, our AC unit's probably a little bit more expensive than a standard one because it's got the AC heat pump in it. So with the total bill with labor, everything was going to be right around $1,300. So
we still haven't paid back for half the warranty yet, but we still have 3 years.
But we still have 3 years, and the warranty would have paid for the hotel for up to 3 days and given us a rental car if we needed it. We didn't need those things because Sabrina's work picked up the cost of the hotel, but that would have been an extra, $300, I guess. Yeah. So far the warranty looks like it's worth it because we still have 3 years left on it.
Yeah, no.
This is the first time that we've had to bring it to a shop and leave it. So far, we've always been able to take care of the maintenance on our own and do the repairs. But we were lucky that Schaefer's was able to fit us into their schedule. This is a very busy time of year, and I feel like they took care of us fairly quickly. Because when we called, they said, oh, wow. They even said, they're like, this is a really bad time for us. They said they're super busy, but they would work us into their schedule.
Right, because they said they didn't have any appointments to even diagnose it till middle of June, to end of June. But then they said, maybe next week, Wednesday, we could take a look at it and try to squeeze you in.
Yeah, so they definitely shoehorned us in and helped us out.
Shoehorned? I've never heard that term.
Shoehorn? Shoehorn, I think it's like for your...
No, I know what a shoehorn is, but I've never heard someone say shoehorned us in.
Maybe I'm just a little older than you and a little wiser.
What?
Shoehorn. They just squeezed us in. So we thought we would do a video on how the warranty worked and go, step by step. But the warranty was actually very easy. We made one phone call to the warranty company to say that we were having an issue with our AC unit, and they said bring it to the dealer and it'll be taken care of from there. We never talked to the warranty ever again. We never called the warranty company. That was the only step we had was to call them the one time to tell them that we were having an issue, and they said we'll bring it to the dealer, and that's it.
That was it.
That was it. I mean, it could not have been any easier, and that was something else that surprised us. So we do still have another week left here at the hotel. Time has been going...
slow motion. Absolute slow motion.
And we don't know why, but time seems to go slower in the hotel than it does in the RV. But that being said, we've been having a good time in Indiana. Mm-hmm. We went to a restaurant called The Deck and sat outside and had appetizers and drinks. That was really nice. Mm-hmm. We went to the art museum in Fort Wayne. We went to the RV Hall of Fame in Elkhart, Indiana. That was a really good time. Definitely recommend the RV Hall of Fame. If you own an RV, then I think you're just automatically love the Hall of Fame. You were able to go in and out of the motorhomes. And
yeah, it was pretty cool.
I turned on a microwave that was inside one of the older RVs.
It was a 1982 microwave or something like that.
I wasn't expecting it to turn on.
It turned on. I was like, shut it off. We're getting irradiated.
I think that's it for now. I think that wraps up everything and where we're at. We'll be able to go grab the RV once Sabrina's done her assignment here at this hospital. And we will be back on the road again, back home in our RV again. Belle, it's okay. It's just kids talking. But we want to thank everybody for the positive vibes that you sent us and good wishes about getting the RV fixed and taken care of. And luckily everything did go smooth. We'd like to thank Schaefer's RV, even though they don't know that we have a YouTube channel or anything like that, and they'll probably never see this, for taking such good care of us and getting the RV fixed. And looking forward to a brand new AC unit in our rig. I think that's pretty super too.
Yes, we are.
Sabrina doesn't like the AC. She thinks it's too
cold. It's not that I don't like
cold.
the AC. It's not that I don't like the AC. I'm just afraid you're going to get a little too excited about the AC.
I like it cold. Sabrina likes it warm. We are fighting over this thermostat constantly. You probably broke the AC in the first place, turning it off all the time.
Oh my goodness. Also like to thank the people who checked on us because we've been gone for a little while. So our friends that checked on us just to make sure we were okay and still kicking.
So thanks everybody. Take care. And we will catch you next time.
Bye guys.
Bye.